Welcome back, treasures. And if you're new here, thanks for joining me. Today I am unboxing the August 21 Inked Goddess Creations box. Let's just jump right in and see what's inside. For August, the theme is Divine Masculine. August 21, Divine Masculine energy is found in all of us, regardless of gender, just as Divine Feminine energy is. This energy is strong, assertive, confident, and pushes you to take action and become the best version of yourself. August Inked Goddess Creations box focuses on Divine Masculine energy and contains items to incorporate this energy into your own magical practice in life. Back of the card tells us our contents, but we're just going to set that to the side and find them out as we discover them in the box. So this is kind of nice. Let's see, what is this? This is a Divine Masculine altar art card with Divine Masculine symbols such as the sun, antlers, oak, and holly, and silhouetted god figures. This card can be displayed on your altar during spells or rituals to increase Divine Masculine energy. I like this kind of sunburst that's in the background. That's nice. Okay, we have a very earthy masculine tone here in this kind of tan color for our tissue. And in the box, I'm going to scoot this over a little bit so we can display the contents as we find them. Okay, we have this nice candle. Ooh, it almost matches today's background. Nice and velveteen, fuzzy. Our candle for this month is a Divine Masculine votive candle, a blend of frankincense, sandalwood, and musk to invoke Divine Masculine energies in your sacred space. Ooh, it has a very nice scent. None of the scents are overpowering. They blend very well together, and it has a nice muted musk scent, so it's not heavy on anything as well. I think you would like that one. Okay, and here I also see this Buddha Wisdom Divine Masculine, the Truth of Buddha. Looks like they are, I'm not sure what this is. Let's see. I'm not sure, so let's open this and see. Kind of feels like cards. There is supposed to be some kind of card deck in here, but that's not really descriptive on this package of what we're going to find inside. So this is the Buddha Wisdom Divine Masculine card deck, a set of 40 Divine Truth cards with the wise words from Buddha to help infuse mindfulness into your life and card reads. Okay, let's take a look at these cards. You are what you think. Pure thoughts bring inspiration and happiness. Oh, I love this coloring on the background of it too. Okay, so I'm not even going to shuffle. Let's randomly choose a card. What's this one? Come on. Your work is to discover your work, and then with all your heart to give yourself to it. I love that. Oh, I'm so excited about these. And I really like the size of them. It fits, I have smaller hands, fits very easily in my hand as a whole. Like they're going to be nice and easy to shuffle when needed. I really like that. Sometimes cards are too big, so that's very nice. They're very different from anything that I have. They come in this nice little case. So that is very nice. Let's see. We also have, for the Eclectic Witch Deck, our expansion for this month. And I just love the way these feel. They feel so good. If you don't have any of these, I can't even describe it. You just want to rub them on yourself. So we have Divine Masculine Energy. We have a Buddha card. We have the Horned God. We have the Holly King and the Oak King. We have Antlers and Yellow Jade. I wonder if maybe that's a crystal we're going to have this month. So you have your masculine cards for the Divine Eclectic Witch Deck. It appears to be an altar cloth. Divine Masculine Altar Cloth. A beautiful sun altar cloth to represent the divine masculine energy on your altar or in your sacred space. Look at that gorgeous sun in the middle. This is a very nice cloth. So we're going to just lay it out and lay some things on top of it. There we go. What else is in our goodie box this month? We have Divine Masculine Herbal Blend. Ooh, tea? Is this tea for us? Divine Masculine Herbal Blend, a blend of sun herbs that can be burned as incense, used as offerings to your deities, or even used in a pre-ritual bath. An exclusive blessing is found on the back of the card that you can say during your personal sun ritual to invoke divine masculine energy. So it is, do not use as a tea. Essential oils have been added. Okay, so this is not to drink. You don't want to drink this. But we do have a nice little kind of empowerment spell there for masculine energy. There's a cute little stone in there. Is that maybe? Nope, we have a whole different stone. So what is this little stone that's in here? Can we get in there and look at it? Maybe tell us on the blessing that's on the back. And I don't see anything. Oops. Immediately. And this appears to be... Here we go. Come on. I just want to look at this stone. If we can make it inside. There we go. Okay, there we are. Ooh, look at that. Look how cute the little tip is. It's really cute and it's tiny. I mean, that's how it fits in my hand. But that's really cute. I'm not totally sure what that is. So we're just going to shove that back in there and put our little blend right here. Okay, we also have this orange satchel, and this would have to hold the last thing that is on our little card here, which is a yellow jade horned god palm stone made exclusively for this box. The horned god symbol represents the divine masculine, and many belief paths. The yellow jade is great for motivation and connecting with the sun's divine masculine energy. So we have this very pretty yellow jade, a palm stone, fits in your palm very easily, with the symbol engraved on it, the horned god symbol engraved onto that and coming in this cute little bag. That is all that is in our box for this month, but okay, there goes our box. But for next month's theme, it looks like we will have the element of water. I am so excited. Water is my element. I look forward to showing you everything that is going to be in the next month's box. If you have enjoyed this video today and you're not yet a subscriber, please hit that subscribe button and become a treasure with all the rest of us. Thank you for watching. Until next time, keep crafting.